Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri. As you see, today in this video, I'm going to talk about the key error, okay? One of the most popular error. But before that, we have already talked about the 5 error in our previous video that are name error, syntax error, type error, index error, and the last one was the indentation error. So we have already talked about these 5 Python errors. If you don't see that, or if you do not know about this error, please go back and watch my previous video. So I would like to point out this is our 6th error, okay, key error. And this error is with our dictionary data type. Okay, generally with the dictionary data type, which is so popular data type in Python programming language. And we'll also see how we can avoid this with the help of one predefined method, the get method. And we will first understand the error, understand the get method, and we'll see the program implementation. So let us quickly go first to understand about the error generation process, how we get the error, and then we will understand the get method to access the value, why we access the value in order to avoid the error. Okay, so we use the keys to retrieve the value, and sometime it may cause problem. As we already know, our dictionary means nothing. Dictionary is a key value pair, yeah. So whatever the pairs we have is a key value in our dictionary. So every value is associated with the key. So when we want to fetch that particular key, and if the key does not exist, yeah, this may happen sometime, then we may get a key error. So for example, here is a dictionary with 2 pairs. So this one is the first pair. You can say it's a pair 1, and this one is our second pair, defining the course, pair 2, that has a 2 values. And but we may try to access the third key. Okay, so this one is the key 1, this one is the key 2, and we don't have the this third key as a edge, but we try to access that, then we will get the key error over here. So in this way we generate the key error. Now the solution to that is using the get method. Okay, get method, very powerful method used. So it will set the default value. See, the default value if no requested key. It means if there is no such requested key, like the edge, if we don't have such key, and obviously the user can request the value, then we won't get that error. We will try to return a message, or we normally say the message or the return value over here. So get methods, so let us understand, use 2 arguments. Okay, one is the key which we are trying to use over here and which we don't have in our dictionary. Our dictionary is instructor2 is the name of our dictionary, and the optional argument. The argument as stated is the optional, where we provide the message, something like this. So we define a variable over here called the age value, and we use dot method with that key and the optional argument. So argument is that no age value is assigned. So we don't have any age value assigned in over the dictionary when we define that. So now we will get this message. So this message instead of the error. Instead of error means instead of the key error. Okay, and we just do the print now age value. So if key age exists, we will get the corresponding key. See, and if we have a key called age with some value like 45 in our dictionary defined is the third pair. Okay, so this if we have is a third pair. That means if we have these is a third pair, then we'll get the 45. Okay, but how, we will see more clearly in the example. So here optional arguments just to pass the value to be returned if the key does not exist. So if the key doesn't exist, we will get that message no age value assigned. And if the key does not exist and no second value, it means if we don't have the second value assigned, then we'll get the known message for assuming no value exists. So either we will get this known message or whatever the message we have assigned in the optional argument. Okay, so let us see to be more clear with the help of the exact program implementation. The program is here pretty straightforward as defined in our PPT. We had an instructor with two key value pair as name as Miller, course as CSC, this course number, and then we print that instructor, and we print the dictionary first in line number 7, and we try to print the instructor with the value age. So we have also the instructor with that third value age, but we have commented that to see how we will get the error. So let me run this program, and you easily see that in the line number 8, in the line number 8, we are trying to get that key which doesn't exist, and hence we are getting the key error. And this is through the trace back, the Python clearly states that. Now, to avoid that, let me comment this, and we have the same thing provided as a comment and the age value, where the first thing I have provided the message and try to print this, the age value, the variable, and second time I have provided only the get method with the age without no optional argument. That means it should return known, but for the first time over here, it should return the value, the message over there. So if I run now we are getting from line number 16, we are getting the message instead of error, and from the line number 19, we are getting the known value as stated in the PPT. So, and one more thing we want to ensure is that if there was a age over there with value 45, okay, so let me uncomment this one and comment this. Now we have that key. So, and we have the key as a age and a value as a 45 as a third pair as stated. So if I run that, now I'm getting the value 45 irrespective of our get method. So either the get method is working and it's fetching the same value whatever is defined on the age key. So this is one of the powerful way how we handle the exception that is generated as a key error in the dictionary data type. I hope that helps a lot, and good luck.